Hi guys, I was cooking. I'm still visiting, that's not my kitchen. I wish it was, but it's not. So I was cooking something called Banitza. It's pretty tasty actually. And since I'm making two, I decided to make a video since I'll not be making video anytime soon. So why not? Maybe you will like it. That's why everything is so dirty. I am cooking. Woo! So, what you need is 3 eggs. I already used 3. You need half kilogram of cheese, white cheese. I put it in warm water so it will not be as salty as it is from the shop. You also need baking soda. You need yogurt, and you need a mayo. You need it in the end. So what you basically need to do is take fork, and we need to break the 3 eggs inside. And of course, I got something on my finger. I don't know why they're so soft. I cannot break them without getting shell in. Oh, I got it out. Damn it. Okay, so let's see. Easy boy, easy. No, I don't have fingernails. Maybe, I mean long nails. Maybe that's why I'm breaking them. Okay, so easy. Don't fall in, please. Good boy. Okay, so yikes. We need to shuffle it pretty good. I see it. Oh no, it's not. You need to mix it. You can use the thing that most people use, but I prefer not to. Then we need this one. Oh, where's the water? We need this one breaking into pieces. You can break it any way you prefer. The easiest one is with hands, but I will be nice and I'll not use hands on the video because many people may say, oh no, gross, stop it, although I'm actually washing my hands more often than I normally do when I'm cooking. Okay, so we broke it into pieces. That reminds me of a song of damn, cannot remember all 3, I think. Breaking into pieces every time I let you go. It's something without a reason. I don't remember actually the exact lyrics. I will when I start singing it, but you will not want me to sing it, so okay. Keep making dirty dishes. Dish, yeah. So now we need to mix it. It's probably damn noisy. Sorry about it. Okay. Now, we having the yogurt here, I've mixed it, so don't worry. It's not that creamy normally. You need to put 1 teaspoon, yeah, around that size, in the milk, in the yogurt. We need to mix it. It will start bubbling. You probably know. There we go. Okay, see, it bubbled. It bubbled much. So we pour it in. We're making sure we scrub everything. By everything, I mean every freaking thing out. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. We need everything, guys. It's not good to waste food. We mix it again. I'm sorry for the noise. It's probably doubled on camera. Okay. Now, we are taking this, which is, I must say, not good. They're pretty bad. I don't like them. They're breaking so easily. We need this thing. I don't know what it is. You need to oil it. Now, we are taking this, the oil. I don't know what it's called. It's from sunflower. We use this normally. You put a bit. And next thing, you need to place it here, good. Like pretty good. Because you want it to be tasty, right? I like to have a lot of it. And I like to mix it. Okay, I think that's enough. I broke it, you saw? I broke it. I think they're older than they should be. And that's why it's breaking so damn easy. I got no clue, but it's not good. You see now. It looks bad. Okay, so we are taking it like from the top. Try not to break it, although it's not possible, we see. I'm touching pretty softly. Ah, it's stuck. But it's still breaking. Okay, I'll take it. It broke. And we made two. Why not? We need to rotate it like this. See? Like this. Oh my god, so bad. I need another. Okay. Next. It will not look good. If you buy something decent, which is not oat, it should be good. This one, I think it's dried or something. That's why it's breaking like this. But we are not going to let it hurt our final result, right? So I put 1 tablespoon on each thing. Now try to make it good. I'm not good with separating things. Like, I have 1 left and okay, I have 2 left, and I have so much of the filling, which is not good. Okay, keeps breaking. We are not paying attention to this, and we are moving pretty quick. Okay, like this. I'll just push it. It will break anyway. So. I don't know why I keep cleaning my hands when I know it will be dirty again, but still. Okay, now we need to spread this into 2 parts. Can we make it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 5? Is that half? Is it? No, I'll put 1 more. Just, oh, 2 more. Sorry. Okay. We're getting to the bottom of the things, which means I'll make the thing pretty damn dirty in a bit. Unfortunately, I'll clean it. It's okay. Okay, I can put a little bit more here. Can I? Break. See, that's why I use normally my hands. Okay. Starting to form pretty good. Let's try again. Breaking into pieces. Every time I try to fold. Okay, where shall we start? Let's put this a little bit here. That should be. I like the order. Here is none. Okay, placing it pretty quick. It's okay. There's a tiny bit more space here. Let's let's make it like this. Oh my god, that's pretty broken. Too be dirty. Anyway, now watch and learn from the master of cooking. Putting it like this. Half of it will be on the pot. I'm not going to do this to you. I know the sound must be pretty bad. I don't know if it's recording good audio. I hope it is. I don't want to record it after that with the microphone. Okay. Good enough for me. No, it's not. But I don't have a choice. Please don't break. Please don't break. Oh, it broke all the way. Yikes. Okay. Need to be pretty quick. I'll make it like this. It look good. Oh, it's not even that dirty. Okay. Oh, shit. So, I'll just push it like this a bit to make it even everywhere. Okay. Why? You see now. It must be a tiny bit like this. It looks alright. Now, we take this. We need the half of it, so it will be hard to tell how much is the half. Need to do it like this, and the fact that it's breaking on me, it's not helping. Not even a bit. Okay. Okay. It's sort of fine. You need to cover everything pretty well, because that's part of the taste. If you put too much, if you put like a whole box, a whole thingy, it becomes way too oily. And don't worry, the baking powder will make it rise later. And have a little bit more so we can lay a bit in the corners. See here, there is a corner that does not have. Until here is another corner that doesn't have. Okay, looks fine. I keep placing, I don't know why. Okay, that's enough. Now, you place this here. You turn it on both up and down, and we place it on 240. And don't forget to plug it in. So, I'm going to do the second one. And that was it for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. And if you're watching it, then that means I actually did upload it, which will be a big thing for me. Anyway, I think I said goodbye too early. I mentioned I made two, right? Two. This is the ready one. What it looks like. I would advise you to cover it with something. Towel or nylon foil or both. So we do not get crispy. If you like it crispy, then leave it that way. Do not be so crispy. And here is the other one. It's almost ready. I want it to be a little bit more cooked. So, yeah. Well, that was it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, You know what to do. Bye bye.